Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderberry jam. Making delicious elderberry jam is a rewarding process that starts with fresh, ripe berries. We'll cover the essential ingredients and steps to ensure your jam turns out perfectly. From preparing the fruit to sealing the jars, I'll guide you through each stage. Get ready to enjoy a homemade treat that's bursting with flavor. First, let's prepare those beautiful elderberries. After washing them well, gently remove any remaining stems. Then, combine the berries with about 1/4 cup of water in a large pot. Simmer them for approximately 15 minutes until they are soft. Next, press the cooked berries through a fine mesh sieve or a jelly bag to extract all the flavorful juice. This step is crucial for a smooth jam. Now for the exciting part, cooking the jam. Measure out 4 cups of elderberry juice and combine it with 7 cups of sugar and 1 pouch of liquid pectin in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a rapid, rolling boil over high heat, stirring continuously for exactly 1 minute. This ensures the pectin activates properly. Don't forget to skim off any foam that forms on top for a clear, beautiful jam. Finally, let's get your delicious jam into jars for storage. Carefully ladle the hot jam into your sterilized canning jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the rims clean, center the lids, and screw on the bands until fingertip tight. Process the jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes. Once cooled and sealed, store your homemade elderberry jam in a cool, dark pantry for enjoyment throughout the year.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.